Welcome to this video where we'll explore an exquisite Notion template tailor-made for real estate agencies. This template is your key to leaving a lasting impression on your clients. It empowers you to craft a compelling opening statement that aligns with your property offerings and business. Residential listings. Within this template, you'll find a dedicated space to showcase all your properties. This section allows your users and audience to swiftly grasp the variety of properties you deal with. Details such as pricing, value, square footage, size, and prime locations are readily accessible. It's your opportunity to introduce your top-notch team to your customers. We've also included social links, making it effortless for clients to connect with your team members. Blog and trends. The Blog and Trends section provides valuable information about your area. Share intriguing insights, discuss market trends, and highlight the joys of living in the vicinity. This not only attracts potential customers but also kindles their interest in your properties. Reviews and testimonials. Lastly, we've included a space for you to convey your value proposition in a clear and concise manner. Incorporate testimonials and ratings from satisfied clients to reinforce your agency's credibility. Plus, we've made it easy for customers to reach out to you for any inquiries. Utilize this template to boost your real estate business and make it more accessible to your customers.